Hey everyone, welcome to the University of Lethbridge. My name is Gage Destour and I'm the Director of Student Engagement here at the Dhillon Business Students Association. Today I'm excited to get to tell you about some of the benefits of our organization and the value it can add to your degree. So who are we? We are an organization of student professionals that are here to serve the students through enhancing the student experience, your experience. Normally, clubs will take your email and invite you to club meetings. That's not what we do. We host events and workshops throughout the year with the purpose of helping our students grow socially, professionally, academically, and through charity by offering awesome fundraising opportunities. We asked students what the biggest benefit of our organization was, and the response we got was incredible. Students love all the networking opportunities that we provide from our events and workshops. We do our best to add as much value as we can to everything we do because we are here to serve you, the students. So what's the biggest barrier to joining the DBSA? We found that it was time. It's the one thing we never seem to have enough of, especially as university students. But the best part of our organization is that you're in the driver's seat. You're welcome to participate in as many or as few of the events as you want. Now I want to show you just a couple of the events we put on throughout the year. Here we have our Chillin' for Charity Polar Plunge. This will be hosted this October via social media to help combat the spread of COVID-19. Next is the Etiquette Dinner. This is one of my favorites. This is a great opportunity for networking and to meet new friends. Next, we have our brand new student mentorship program. This is an opportunity for students in their first and second years to get paired with a third year and beyond. This is an opportunity for you to get tips and tricks on how to get the most out of your time here at ULETH and your degree. Lastly, I want to leave you with just a short list of some of the events we hold throughout the year, like the Welcome Back, the Etiquette Dinner, Powder Burn, the Calgary Business Trip, Tailgate, the Year-End Gala, and 5 Days for Homeless. Please follow our social media, such as our Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and of course our website, for the most up-to-date information on all these events and activities. If you have any questions, feel free to email me directly at academic.engagement@ulethdbsa.ca. We can't wait to meet you, and welcome to the University of Lethbridge.